Sierra Alloy's TSI Titanium is one of North America's largest independent manufacturers of titanium and alloy bar products that include flat bar, forged block, hot rolled plate, and round bar. Two innovative quality-driven pioneers in the titanium industry, Sierra Alloys and TSI Titanium, with combined experience exceeding 80 years, is committed to serving as your single-source manufacturer. Titanium and alloy bar products from Sierra Alloys TSI Titanium are used in the production of critical parts around the world. These precision metal products are used in aerospace, medical, petrochemical, marine, even rockets for space travel. The company provides forging, rolling, heat treating, cutting, processing, and finishing capabilities. These in-house capabilities allow short lead times consistently, regardless of market conditions. Their technical expertise enhances productivity, allowing industry-leading yields at competitive prices. Qualified to supply material for applications ranging from fracture-critical component parts in aerospace to surgical implant devices, Sierra Alloys TSI Titanium takes great pride in its list of customers: Bell Helicopter, Boeing, Embraer, General Dynamics, General Electric, Goodrich, Gulfstream, Lockheed Martin, Mitsubishi, Pratt & Whitney, and Zimmer Biomet, to name a few. Certainly, this list clearly demonstrates their ability to meet the strict standards required by these world-class companies. When you turn to Sierra Alloys TSI Titanium for your titanium and alloy bar products, you are doing business with a growing, dynamic company that currently provides more than 25% of domestic titanium bar production. Since they offer the smallest minimum production orders in the industry, you get what you want when you want it, instead of tying your money up in excess inventory. For quality products, competitive pricing, quick turnaround, and superior service, you can count on Sierra Alloys TSI Titanium.